KDP Income Report May 2021. Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik and in this video we will be looking at my KDP Income Report for the month of May 2021. My earnings from my low content and no content books during the month of May 2021. So in this video we will be looking at the subscription costs, Amazon ads costs, then my income from the books, and then net income after expenses. So before doing this, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. Let's get started. I am here in the KDP Reports dashboard, that is the sales dashboard, and I have already sorted it by May 1st to May 31st. And here we can see month started with 16 units, 5 units, 6 units, 13 units on May 4, 12 units, 22 units on May 6, 9 units, 7, 5, 13 units, 16 units, 16 again, 9 units, 14 units and 1 ebook sold, 12 units on May 15, 9 units on May 16th, 11 units, 12 units, 9 units, and here is another very good day, that is May 20th, and 24 units, 8 units, 8 units again, 5, perhaps this is the lowest day, 14 units on May 24, 14 again, 13, 9, and 6 units on May 29, 7 units, and on the last day May 31st, 5 units. So overall we sold 342 units of paperback books during the month of May. You can see here total books are 1088, and May 1st to May 31st. Many people ask me in the comments below, how many books do you have? I have 1088 books live now. Not these are all live, some of these I have unpublished. So around 800 books are live. So next comes the income. So this is the last month, May 1st to May 31st. I have made $693.66 and 66 cents. So this is higher than the last month. It may be because I have ran more ads during the month of May as compared to the month of April. So let's have a look at our costs, that is the advertising costs. First, this is the US marketplace. I spent $32.10, which generated a sales of $75.90 with an A cost of 42.29. That is high. I was losing money, definitely losing money on some campaigns. So CPC was very good, but A cost is high. So I spent $32.10 and my income was $693.66. Let's put this in the Excel sheet. 693.66, ad cost 32.10 on the US marketplace. Okay, now let's have a look at the Amazon UK marketplace. I spent £95.29 because I have some books that are selling well in the UK marketplace. It generated a sales of £316.49 with an A cost of 30.11. It means I was losing a bit money, but it was overall very good for me because I was generating sales, and you know, sales is the very important factor in the Amazon ranking. So I was trying to rank my books again in the Amazon UK marketplace for as many keywords as I can. So I ran automatic ad campaigns, manual ad campaigns, and I also tested the brand or product, that is the little ad or toward the top of the search. So that was very good experience for me. So it was you can say very good for me during the month of May. So let's have a look at the Canada. Canada is already doing well for me in terms of A cost. I spent $63.41 During the month of May, that is the Canadian dollars, generated sales of $411.54 with an A cost of 15.41, and I am very happy with that. My ads were very profitable, you can see here. Okay, impressions were 44,256 and clicks were 395. So Canada is doing very well for me. I have some books that are selling very well in the Canada marketplace. So I have been spending more money on Amazon UK and Amazon Canada. So let's input our figures. 95.29, and that is pounds. Let's convert into dollars, and here pounds to dollars 134.98. so that is the UK marketplace expenses. So let's now change the Canadian dollars. Canadian 63.141, and these account for 52.39 US dollars. So let's input here. So overall we can see subscription cost is always 9, that is single subscription, that is Creative Fabrica. 32.10 on Amazon US, $135 in the UK marketplace, and 52.39 in the Amazon Canada. So overall my ad cost was $228.47 and my income was $693.66, and I netted $465.19. So overall May was good for me when I compare it to April. So let's have a look at April. During the month of April I spent less on ads, and I also made less on in royalties, and overall my net income was 451. And when we compare it to May, you can see here my ad cost is going high, and but income is already almost $100 higher than the month of April. So in this video I have showed you how much I have made during the month of May and how were my expenses. The future of low content and no content publishing is ads. You need to spend money on ads. If you really want to make money and want to scale, then you should have funds and you should spend money on advertising. You can see here I spent over $200 and I made $693. If I can spend $500, then I can make $1,500. You can see here. Also check out my blog lowcontentprofits.com. I started this blog back in March, and recently I have wrote some very good post on here. I recently wrote book bold versus tangent template, that is very lengthy and very well detailed comparison of both, and you can read here. And I have given an overview of every tool at book bold and tangent templates, and I have also shared my personal opinion about that. You can read the blog, and that is lowcontentprofits.com, and you can read. I have around 13 or 14 posts, so that are all focused toward low content and no content publishing. So this is all from me. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Do subscribe to my channel, and do give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to check out my blog. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.